Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to convert MOV files to MP4 on iPhone or iPad. So, let's get started. First things first, open your browser and on the search engine, type MOV to MP4. Select the first link appeared on the result. Now, we are on the website. Click on the select file, then choose from the options, and then open the photo gallery. Choose a video that you want to convert into MP4. Once selected, tap on Convert button, then the video will automatically be uploaded and convert into MP4. After converted, you can download the video by pressing the download button and you're good to go. So, that's how to convert MOV files to MP4 on iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.